My people, hello, how are we today? Fun fact, I spilled hot sauce all over this shirt, and so I put it on backwards. So now there's hot sauce on this side of the shirt. Yes, life of Lippy. Today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday, and so I thought we'd just go ahead and do a unboxing. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, all it is a seasonal subscription service. I pay for mine with my own money, not sponsored. Wish I was. If you want to sponsor me, email in the description bar, okay? But basically, you get really cool items, and I think you pay like $50 roughly for each box. And if you decide to get it like for a whole year subscription, you can actually pick out some of your pieces in your box. But if not, they just kind of pick everything for you. A lot of these things in this box is actually worth like a lot more, and you're getting it for a very, very good price, which is why I personally find it worth it. I'm not going to talk too much about it. Let's just go ahead and see what is in the box. Let's open it together. Wow, this is what it looks like. Honestly, I still can't even see it, but the camera sees it. Okay, I'm going to put this box right over here. Also, do you see this art back here? I painted that. And then over here is a jewelry holder that I got from like Target for $5 that I kind of DIY'd. So room tour should be up soon, kind of ish. If you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments down below. Now let's really just jump in. So you get a little magazine, tells you about some of the products. So we might need this. And then they just give you some deals. There's a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So I will leave this in the comments down below, or the description bar down below, so that way you guys can get it if you want it. And then a HelloFresh coupon. So this is one of the items that I picked out, and I remember the choices for this was like a salt and pepper shaker, a head wrap, or something else. This magazine is not going to come in handy. You either get this, a salt and pepper shaker, an eyeshadow kit, or a boost gel for like when you work out, kind of makes you feel toned and whatnot and fit. I don't work out. I already have a salt and pepper shaker. I didn't want like the eye crayon, so I thought a hair towel would be the most useful for me. And so let's open this up. I actually used to have one of these when I was a kid, so yes, honestly mine was pink just like this. Literally what this is that when you get out of the shower, if you don't want to use a whole towel, you can put your hair in this and then kind of twist it up and you have like a little towel wrap. This thing is shedding. Honestly, I don't think there's much to say about this. The retail price for this is $18. It is an after spa hair towel wrap. Cool. Next item. I technically don't know what's in this box, but like kind of know what's in this box because I've seen like pictures, and this is something that I've seen. I don't know what it is. They look like giant sugar cubes. How exciting. I love normal sugar cubes. Okay. This is called exfoliating sugar cubes juice cleanse. Okay, take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and massage over wet skin. I'm so hyped about this, especially because in an old FabFitFun box we had exfoliator, but I used all of it up. So this is gonna be so fun. And these are worth $16. Let's smell. Oh, I like it. Oh, and they're softer than I thought. So this is what they look like. How cool. A sugar cube. I kind of want to eat these. I'm hungry. Next item. I don't know what this is, and it's pink. I know what this is now. Okay, I felt it. This is a straightening wand. I am a firm believer of my own straightening wand. Watch my Get Ready With Me. I think I used a straightening wand in that one. But this is the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. I travel, and sometimes I don't really like bringing my stuff that I use on a regular basis, so I thought this would be perfect for traveling. I don't know how it works or how well it works, but out of all the choices, I thought this was the best item. If I end up not using this, honestly, I'll give it to my mom because I know she will enjoy it and use it, but, you know, straighten your hair. This is worth, oh my goodness, this is worth $80. Hey. So that's what I'm saying. Like, this is an $80 straightener that I literally got in a cheaper box, which is why I like to try new things. I think it's real fun. It's great. Straightener. Oh, I think I picked out this item. Okay. So this is the Wander Beauty Gold Eye Mask. So basically, I can put gold underneath my eyes. You know, like right here, right here. This is what they look like. A little gold mask. So these are called Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These are with aloe leaf extract lavender oil. It's worth $25. This is the picture. It's the ones that just stick underneath your eyeballs and just rejuvenate your face. This is a lunchbox. So like I said, if you are a member that gets like the yearly pass, you can actually pick out your items. I decided this was the best choice for me because I really like my boxes. I really do use the products that I get in it like on a daily basis. And so you pay all at once, you get to pick some of your items. So it's like, yes girl, me. So this is out to lunch. This is a Kate Spade little lunchbox. I have a lunchbox that says my name on it. The brand is 31 and it's really cute. I got it in high school though, so I have not had a new lunchbox since. This lunchbox is a little bit small because your girl likes to eat, but on days where I'm not gonna, eat that much, I thought this was really cute. Forget lunch. I might use this as a makeup bag. I think this actually might be better for me. So this is what it looks like, just polka dots. It's Kate Spade, but like a lot of people are getting these, so like, is it Kate Spade price? I don't know. Let's see what the price is, okay? This says this is like $30. Yeah. Maybe I would actually pay like $20 for it in the store if I wanted it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very simple. Lunchbox / makeup box. Next item. This is called the Better Skin Company, Better Skin Lava Magic. Okay, this is a cleanser or a scrub. So this is exfoliating, I think. Oh, okay, so this is volcanic lava. Anything with like charcoal, volcanoes on fire interests me. This is cool because usually when you think of lava, honestly, I think of charcoal. I don't know why, and maybe fire, charcoal. And I think of black things, but this is actually like a pink mask. Something's making noise. So this is the packaging. I think it's super cute. Matches the aesthetics of my room. But oh, we love a cute little, we love miniature things. This is like a little scoop. And let's smell it. The consistency of it seems more liquidy than I thought it would be for a scrub. This smells like a dreamsicle creamsicle. Like one of those orange like push pop ice creams or orange popsicles. Dairy Queen had a I don't know what it's called, but my friends and I called it dreamsicle creamsicle ice cream. $32 for this little cute little container. This is, yes, Damage Remedy from Aveda. So this is a daily hair repair. Your girl dyes her hair. Your girl's gonna get her hair done pretty soon. I get a lot of bleach heat in my hair, Indian hair, blondish hair. It does a lot, okay? So I need to take care of it. Fix your hair, girl. This is worth $30, and this is infused with quinoa protein. Quinoa, okay? Macadamia oil and a repair. Oh, it's from Heat Styling. Okay, I'm gonna start using this before I curl and straighten my hair in the mornings. They smart. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Excited about that. I know in a couple other boxes I got a like detangler that I use all the time. Their styling cream. Honestly, these boxes actually use their products. Yay for not wasting money. Okay. Yes, this is the last item. So, this is a Human Plus Kind skincare with a conscience. It's natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. We love vegan things. You know KFC came out with some vegan chicken? Meat-free meat. And then you got the Impossible Burger from Burger King. I want to try that. Ooh, yes, girl. Also, I tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich. I would like to say it was good, and I crave it. Okay? Okay. This is a body souffle. What does that mean? Your girl doesn't know. I need a lotion at my work desk. I could use this. Yes. This reminds me of the Bath & Body Works Cucumber Melon Lotion from my childhood. It's a good lotion. Would recommend. That is worth $18. I like this month's box. I do not love it. I think I've had other favorite boxes, like last month's box was really fun. I like it. I just feel like I don't love it. And that is my honest opinion. But being able to try these like 1 or 2 items that really do interest me and that are worth a lot more money is what's gonna keep my customer, keep me as a customer personally. So I have fun filming these. I have fun unboxing these. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box in the comments down below because I am interested. But yeah, that's basically about it. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.